Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can change the alarm sound on your iPhone. Please, friends, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Be sure to put your likes under the video, write comments after watching it, and let's get started. Okay friends, first of all you will need to open the clock on your iPhone. Now friends, when you open the clock, first go to the alarm section at the bottom. Then select the alarm clock that you're using. Then when you go to Edit Alarm Clock, here you can find the song option. Click on them. And now friends, you can choose any song from the ones provided to you by your iPhone. For this, you click on the song, you'll be able to listen to it. Choose the song that you want to listen to. You can click right here. And that way you can choose a song, for example, from the ones that you have on your phone. Or you can search for a particular song on iTunes and choose one for yourself. And once you've chosen absolutely any of the tunes, friends, just go back. And that tune, it'll be set as your alarm sound. This is the way, friends, you'll be able to change the alarm sound on your iPhone. I hope this video was useful for you. Please don't forget to put your likes under the video, subscribe to our channel, write your comments. See you soon.